Hello, good morning. Thanks for joining me on Home Gardening 480. What I'm going to do today is that I'm going to transplant this cilantros into this bed here. So what I'm going to do is I already spaced them out every 10 inches. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transplant these plugs. This one here, nothing germinated out of this one. So I only have 7 here, so I'm going to transplant each of these plugs, or pockets as I call them. So I'm going to transplant these plugs into, and I put them right here, these rocks, every 10 inches. Then right next to this here, I'm going to transplant the basil. Same thing, I'm going to transplant those pockets spaced same way every 10 inches right here, right next to them here, so that they get the sprinkler and they get this one here to water them all here. But I need to get this ground, I need to get it wet, and I need to basically grab all of these hard rocks, just sod, dirt, and I need to basically make them all soft and basically get them all smooth, so that then I can water this and then transplant them. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm gonna get myself ready and get started. Okay, so first I'm going to, all of that is wet, so I need to basically do this with this dirt and get all of this, and I need to level also, by the way. Okay. Then I'm going to water it. So now I'm going to plant this cilantro first. I'm going to transplant it. So I'm going to start right here. And I'm doing the size of the plug so that it's easier to transplant the plug. I'm going to do them all at the same time. So that's outside. And do some people supposed to have okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go like that. You can see that this one, they needed to be transplanted because the roots, if you can see them here, they were all out, and they were also having a hard time expanding. Put it down. Like that. Go down. Wow. So it's on the camper. Shoot it on. Let me just take it off here. So make sure that I'm not getting this too far down here, so I want that. That's right, bird too. You don't want to piece it down here, so. So I have roots. So I get the barrel on the roots. Here. So you can do it actually. Just make a lot of roots. Then I have a lot of roots. Alright. That's good. You can tell about the roots. You can see them, how the roots are coming out, and they are basically curling inside the plug. So that means that they were ready to be transplanted. Then I'm going to water them. I'm going to put the label in the middle. All of these are cilantros. And then the basil. I'm gonna measure also the spacing, use the same rocks, get my measuring tape, space them every 10 inches, and then do all the holes as well, and then transplant them here, each plug into here. So I have 8, so I need to do 8 holes here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, get the measuring tape, which I have inside the house, and get it going. Okay, now that the cilantro is being planted, now I already did the measurements every 10 inches. There's 8 because of those 8 pockets or plugs. They're going to be transplanted over here. So I'm going to get myself ready, do all the holes first, then transplant them one at a time. Okay, now I'm going to begin transplanting them one at a time. They are pretty moist, by the way, because there's water in this starter seed container. Okay, there's one. There's a lot of roots in here. It's good. There's one. So they grow faster. Okay. So a lot of roots. It's nice. Okay. Here, a lot of roots. Now to the side. So come on, go. 4, 93. All here. This one. And here. There we go. You can see the roots on this one. Very nice. They have already done their growth in these plugs, and so that they're ready to be transplanted. And this one, and then I'll have one more. There it is. Nice. This one's nice. And last one. There it is. Okay, all done. I'm going to go ahead and water this. Brown. So now that they are completed, so I just put the tags, the cilantro and the basil. Thanks for joining me, checking in with us here, and we'll see you guys on the next video.